It's time to close the curtains on our unforgettable Norway road trip. Last night was a dream. Northern Light show that left me speechless and also gave me only 2 hours of sleep. Though I wish we had more time just to walk around and absorb the nature, the beauty around, we had to check out of this beautiful stay at Storfossen because it's a 3-hour drive to Tromsø Airport and we have 5 hours in hand. Though I wanted to keep some buffer for driving in such icy conditions, we still decided to make a quick detour. Just 20 to 30 minutes from our stay was Polar Park.
Straight ಅಂತ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ 6 kilometers.
Straight to the 6 kilometers. ವಾಪಸ್ ಬಾ.
ಡೈರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೇನೋ. ಅವರಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ.
To keep up with time, we reached so early, the caretakers were just getting started for the day. There was still snow in the parking lot and we literally had to wait for it to be cleared. The park had about 10 animals during our visit, and as we stepped in, we realized how massive the place was. It looked like as if we were waking up the animals as we saw them still tucked in and then covering themselves within the snow. Arvind was especially fascinated by the sheer size of elks, moose, and wanted to catch a glimpse of them and, if possible, take a picture standing next to it. We didn't expect to see any bears since it's hibernation season, but we got lucky. We spotted one from a distance. The same guy who cleared the snow at the entrance, he was inside the park clearing paths and even waking up the wolves. And because of this man, we got to see not 1, not 2, but 3 wolves. And just watch this. Still sleeping, I guess.
No, they didn't respond.
Yeah, I guess we are too early.
But thanks for trying.
Nope.
I don't hope they have been escaped. Come
Okay.
on, we can do better than this.
Ah, there we go. Oh.
Yeah.
Ah, yeah. Oh, it's so huge. Oh, wow. Wow.
A little bit grumpy. Wake them up.
It's like an avalanche. One starts and everything. The starts.
Maybe they are coming.
Third one. You don't throw.
Marit! Drage!
yeah.
Kommer dog! Woop, 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 woop. Jo, kommer dog!
Oh, wow. They hear you from here.
Yeah, they are socialized.
Uh-huh.
Så fin du var. Kom da, Marit. Jo, kom da, vennen. Jo, kom da.
Ah, it's coming. Wow. Look at the fur. Hi. What's the name of it?
This is Praga,
Prague.
the male leader.
Uh-huh.
One going down is
Yeah.
Marit, the female leader.
Yeah.
And the last one
Uh-huh.
behind is Frid.
Wow.
He's much bigger.
So
Yeah,
good.
he's much bigger. How many bulls are there? It's 4 of them here. And there should be 9 more there. But they are more wild ones. They are not social.
Hey, super. What color is it?
Sound bರ್ತದೆ.
Ooh. Ooh. Mm-hmm. ನೀನು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ? ಮಾಡ್ತೀಯಾ?
ಯಾಕೊಂದು ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಬಿಟ್ಟು
ಅದು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದದ್ದು.
ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ.
ವಾ ಸಾಕದಾಗಿದೆ ಅರವಿಂದ ಅಲ್ಲ. We did manage to see most of the animals, but sadly didn't have enough time to wander and soak in the serene beauty of the place. Before we left, we picked up a tiny magnet as a souvenir, another little piece for our memory frame. The journey has given me innumerable memories for life, moments that I will carry with me forever, from the surreal skies dancing with northern lights to quiet mornings surrounded by snow. It's an experience I simply cannot forget. This trip just proved it once again that Arctic is my happy place, and I would choose it during any time of the year.
Regarding the weather en route down to Berlin, it's reported nice. It's however in the middle of the flight somewhere. We're going to pass through jet stream, so there might be a little bit turbulence just a short ride, but apart from that, it's very